Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading making this a small video for gold. So let's get started. The gold weekly chart is this, right? This is a bigger picture than what is happening. This is wave 4 ending, and wave 5 we are going for blue count. And now you can see this like wave 1, 2, and then this big wave 3. I thought that it is finished here, so I said, okay, if that's the case, then we need here to come down a little bit, just like this wave 2, a wave 4, and then we go to the upside. But this wave 4 is very complicated, and first of all, we have to make sure that if we have finished wave 3, which we are not confirmed still, right? So on a smaller time frame, let's take a look at the smaller time frame, what's happening, and the daily chart for that matter is this. So basically, you can see here that this was this like kind of like a correction A, B, C. This could be A, this is B, and then we can come down for C. Possibility, yes. But for now, right now, what's happening is different, right? So if you see this inner TL, I place this connecting this low and this low, and because after this we made the higher high, right? So now the current candle, excuse me, came down and bouncing from this area, right? And there was another candle first, and then now this one again came down, the current one, and then touched the TL and then bounced, and it's going to the upside. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour chart, which would be like this. So you can see clearly this is what's happening. So this is a TL, then another TL, and we came as low as 33.65 to this high here, right? You can see here exactly the same high. And this candle bounced. Then again, we start wobbling, coming up and down and up and down. And current candle is going to the upside. We had a news this morning, and that is out of the way. And then right now it's 9:36, and the session, U.S. session, already open, and we are going to the upside. Right, this candle is bullish. So what is really happening? I made a smaller time frame chart earlier, my Renko chart of this, and I posted on the different places here, there, including Forex Factory and all that. It's on my website as well. So this was first I made the chart that is going to bounce from here and then go up, but then it bounced and came back one more time to touch this 33.75. Then it started to bounce, and then it was here when I made this chart saying that somewhere here, either right from here, or maybe it dropped to 78, or maybe again one more touch to 33.75, and then it might be going to the upside. Then what usually happens is that retracement extension, right? So this was a retracement to a 78, or in the zone between the 61 and 78. Then usually if we are going to go up, if this thing is going to bounce from here without making a lower low, then it must be making a higher high, right? It's an assumption, right? It may not. But if it is going to make a higher high, then where? So this, you draw the fib here, this low, this swing down to see the just like this one, the two levels or the zone between 61 and 78. For the extension, we have a zone between 127 and 161. So these are two numbers coming right here. So 127 is a little bit above 3403, which is another very big number right now on a 4-hour chart. And then this 3414 is coming exactly at 161. So this is the chart I made. And so far, what happened to this chart, let's go in a live chart. And we are doing this. Okay, so we started to bounce exactly where I mark the yellow mark, and then so far we are here. So the first target, if we continue, I have a long open already, and then I'm sitting on a break even. So if it continue, the first target would be 61%. If now you draw the Fibonacci expansion for the target, Elliott wave target, the white tool here, from here, and then this low here, right? So 127 of that is also coming into the same area of 161 extension. So extension and expansion, and this number SNR level 3414 is pointing out this area. Can we go there? Maybe the expansion 100% AB equal to CD is coming exactly at 127, around 127, just above this level here. So my first target would be this, and then if I see that it is dropping, which I don't think so, but if it is, then I'll close my trade. If not, I'll hold until this, and then definitely I'll close it, and then look for another entry or something later on, right? So this is what is happening currently here. That's what I just wanted to share with you guys, that it already started, but very important that we have to take this out, right? If not, if it comes back here, it's refused to go to the upside and comes down and take my SL out at break even, then we have to think that it may be not going to the upside. In fact, then it's coming down here, right? So we have to go above it. So see this wick here, the small wick, that is 3403, I guess. Let me see. No, 3414, I guess. No, in fact, 3435. Sorry, this is 3435, and this is small wick here. The high is 3403. So we must stay above 3403. Right now, what we are doing is 3394. So we need to go above 3403. If not, then we have a chance that it will again drop, right? So right now we're doing it what 95, 34.95. So we're not too far from 34.03. And once we take that out, then we are going for 34.40, 35, and then this high, and then maybe high, or maybe then we can say that oops, wave 3 has not finished yet, right? So until we take that out, I'm still believing that we are still in the wave 4. All right, so this could be like ABC on a daily chart. We can see here. See, this is ABC and then this wave B, which is very unlikely. The way it has formed, but that's all the best that we have right now, right? So if that's the case, and then if we don't go above this, then we may be dropping here. So this is a 3403, I guess. 3403, 3375. What the heck? No. Oh, that move, right? Okay. Yeah, 3403, right? So this is 3403. You know what? I'm looking at the wrong chart, man. So simple as that. My 4-hour chart is much better. Now, this is the one that I made. It's assuming that wave 3 is not finished and we might be going to the upside again. So besides the point that, what happened in the background, if you consider this, then it looks like this, like wave 1, 2, then wave 3 need to come, right? And out of that, we have 1, 2, and then 3 of 3 is supposed to go to the upside. So again, we have a small wave 1, 2, and then maybe 3, 4, 5. That would be wave 3 of wave 3, and then 4, 5, and that would be ending wave 3 of this count, right? So that's a little complicated, but this is how I have it. Like we have 1, 2, then Roman count, black count, 1, 2, and wave 3 will go to the upside, which will have maybe 5 waves, right? So that would be wave 1 and 2 right here. And then if that's the case, we're gonna have a big move coming in for wave 3. Wave 3 of 3 of 3. Sorry about that confusion, but that's how the Elliott wave is, right? You have to get used to it, right? Anyway, so this is what it is. And let's see how far we go. I have the trade open, and then let's see. I'm still going to hold and then wait for 3403 taken out. But again, we have FOMC later on, so we have to hurry up. And if we do not go before that, we not go above 3403, then I'm going to close my trade. Anyway, I'm not going to take a chance on FOMC. Even if I'm sitting at, whatever the profit, if we get close, whatever the amount of pippage I have, I'm going to close. And then I'll see that if I can get another entry after FOMC. All right, so this is it for now with gold. And let's get back to work.